Today we are making shrimp curry, a coastal classic rich with coconut, chili, kokum and tradition, simple to make and impossible to forget. Let's begin. These are the ingredients. Peeled and deveined shrimp, ginger, shredded coconut, you can use fresh coconut too, black pepper, whole Kashmiri chili, coriander powder, turmeric powder, sea salt, mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, kokum, curry leaves, lemon to garnish. Take your peeled and deveined shrimp, marinate for 15 minutes in lime juice, chili powder, and salt. Rub the spices on shrimp, gently massaging it. Massaging the shrimp makes the meat little more tender and juicier and more flavorful. In a separate bowl, measure out all the ingredients listed in the curry paste. In your trusted grinder, grind everything into a fine powder. After grinding together the curry paste ingredients, add ginger paste. Add 3/4 cup of water and mix together, blending into a fine aromatic blend. In a heavy bottom pan or a thick karahi, heat oil until it just starts to smoke. Heating oil to the smoking point prevents the shrimp from sticking. अगर तेल और कढ़ाई अच्छे से गर्म ना हो तो श्रिम्प डालते के साथ कढ़ाई में चिपक जाता है. As you can see, since the oil and karahi was hot, shrimp didn't stick to the bottom of the pan and it's very easy to stir. Saute the shrimp until pink, about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook, they'll finish cooking in the curry later. Take all the shrimp out in a separate bowl, but don't throw away the oil as the oil has all the goodness. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in the same karahi and the tempering spices, mustard seeds, methi seeds, and curry leaves. Stir everything until mustard seeds pop. Add the curry paste and saute until the oil separates. After sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see, the oil has separated and raw aroma of spices has gone. Now add 3/4 cup of water, mix everything and let it simmer. After simmering for 2 minutes, add salt, stir everything together. After a few minutes, drop in kokum, the star of this curry's tangy depth. यही है इस करी की खासियत, वो earthy खट्टी मीठी kick. Add the shrimp back in with water and all. Mix gently and simmer for a few more minutes to marry the flavor. Let it rest covered. This is when the shrimp soaks in the kokum's sweet earthy tang. Garnish with lemon wedges and serve hot with steamed rice. Kokum and coconut give this dish its nostalgic magic, rich, comforting, and unforgettable. Thanks for joining me in making this soulful shrimp curry. I hope you try it, tweak it, and share it with someone you love. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.